Let's see how to create and edit our follow-ups, our emails. Every time you will log in AIOP Response account, you will be logged in your default campaign with your username and your name. From here you can go to any campaign you want to edit. Click Go. Now I am logged in AIOP 1 campaign. You should always check the name of the campaign to be sure you are in the right one you want. Click at your autoresponders. We have the option here, edit, test autoresponders or sending broadcast. Broadcasting means sending manual follow-ups. If I want to create or edit emails, I click edit autoresponders. We are now in the editing area. We don't have any message because we just create our first follow-up. Click HTML. Is always better to use HTML than plain text. Set the subject of our email. Then we go to create our email body. I suggest to use always a Word document or notepad. Right there first your text, then copy it in the editor here. If you are using Firefox as browser, they have Firefox has more security options, so it may not work always the option copy paste using your mouse click. Then you can use your keyboard hotkeys for copy paste and will always work. We have an advice here about this. Now I'm doing this. We have the text of our emails here, our first email here. Also you have the option to use the preset merge words and for a first name, name and other data of your prospect. Also will be some, if you want to extract some data of your prospect, we have some predefined variables to be used with, and they will extract some info from your prospect. They work like codes. Let's say here, and I'm using first name in this case. When your prospect will receive the email, the first name here will be replaced with the prospect name, first name, sorry. Now we have a link inside of the email body. If you have a link in the email body, you should always use the link pop-up window and set here also the target. Using the pop-up window for links will ensure that you will always have a proper set link. If you want to unlink, just use the unlink, but we need now a link inside of the body. We do use the button undo. Now we have our first follow-up. The option it is to disable or to let it work. It is created, but you can disable it if you don't want to be sent to your prospects. The first follow-up, it is set at 0 days from the sign-up moment, because AIOP Response, it is a double opt-in autoresponder. Your prospect will receive an email sent by our system to confirm by clicking the link inside the subscription for more info, or the request for more info. In this case, the first follow-up, it is set to 0 days. It will be sent instantly after the prospect will click the link. After we set also the number of days, the moment of sending the emails, the first email, we click add message, and now we have our first follow-up. It is set. We have our first follow-up, which will be sent instantly after the prospect confirming the subscription. If we want to add a new follow-up, we just choose again the HTML. Here we choose another subject, choose a new subject for our second follow-up, and first name, the email body, and now we have our second follow-up. and we set, let's say, at 2 days after sign up. We set the time here, the interval, it is at 2 days after the sign up, and we click add message. Now we have 2 emails, the first follow-up and the second. We can create more. AIOP, no, here. Click HTML, create a new one. Let's say, yes, we have the text here, and now we the second, it is after 2 days. We can put this after 4 days after sign up, and just click add message. Now we have 3 emails. If we do the same, we will have as many as you need, as you want. If we want to just edit one email, I'm selecting, just go select the email you want to edit, click select message, and it will be displayed here the email you want to edit. If I want to add something, let's say I will add here now, and I want to save it, just update, just click update message, and your message will be updated. You can also change the number of days your email will be sent. Now we have 3 emails. I want to delete one. I select this one I want to delete, then I will click remove message, or I want to disable, let's say disable this, and we will have 2 emails which will be sent, and this one, the third, will be not sent, will show the sign of stop here. If I want to enable this, I'm clicking it and just enable, and now we will have 3 emails that will be sent according to the number of days set for each one. If I want to remove a message and follow-up, I just select the follow-up I want to be removed, and I click remove message, and now I removed the third one. We have 2 follow-ups. If we want to test our follow-ups, just click test autoresponders, and here we choose the autoresponder, the follow-up, the email I want to test. I want to test the first one, and here